Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. It's evening time, and I finished my work. Today is a long day, short week, and Monday does not work until Wednesday. It feels so intense because Monday you do not work, and Tuesday you suddenly start to work, and you feel so heavy. Anyway, I made it. I'm so happy. So I come out to this beautiful shopping center and just do nothing. And I was thinking maybe I can do an outfit of the day. So this is it. So I have my I have my most comfortable stretchy overcoat, and it's hot, so just so thin. When you travel, this one is really good. It does not wrinkle, and very stretchy, very soft, elastic, and fit to your body, and you can fold it into a teeny tiny little roll. And this bag, a little bit too much color, right? But sometimes this is on sale. I bought it. This is the only color on sale. To save 10%, 20%, I sacrificed the color. Anyway. And my comfortable pants, people passing by. It's kind of a 不好意思. Okay, that's it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye, bye.